To create a works cited page, you can use the citation generator within your Google document. You will click Citations and it will open over towards the right. I've already got a couple here that I created. The way that you create a citation can take different forms. One easy way to do it is to search for the ISBN number, which is kind of like a Social Security number for a book. It's its official code by which it is identified. I search for Teaching, Writing, Structure, and Style Workbook, and I found that the ISBN is 978-162-341-2210. I'm going to copy this by using Command C or Control C, go back to my document, and under the Tools, Citation Generator, I'm going to add a citation. This is actually a book that is in print form. I'm going to paste in with Control V or Command V my ISBN and search. It tells me that I am actually missing a little bit of information and then gives me the option of adding it. One thing I know is that this was actually printed in Oklahoma. Locust Grove, Oklahoma. Doesn't give me a city or a state for some reason. It is a second edition. I could add that if I know it. There's no volume, there's no number of volumes or anything like that. And I'm just going to create add source. The other thing that I may have to do is go to the website where I gathered other information. Of course, I skipped that and I use Bon Parfum. So I, again, go up into my URL and copy the URL or web address with Control C or Command C, go back to my document, and now I'm going to add an additional source. This time I'm adding a website. So I'm switching it, website, access by website, and I'm going to paste in my URL that I copied from the website by selecting and copying that web address. I may run into a problem here. Let's see what it does. It says it could not find it. So I'm actually going to have to go in and delete part of the information until I can get it to read. There's other ways to do this. I could go to a different citation generator, but now I actually have created it for Bon Parfumer. I'm sure I'm messing up the French, and I am missing the year it was published. I can get that from the bottom of the web page, probably seeing when it was last updated. This actually isn't listing yet. Now, I could do a little further research on this, but for now, I'm pretty satisfied with knowing that I'm telling that I accessed it on September 10th, because that's not negotiable. I have to tell when I accessed it. And I don't have any of the other information for the publication year. Some websites may not give it. I'm going to add it. Then when I am ready to insert them, I've got too many here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete one of them. When I've got them both generated, I'm going to click Insert Works Cited, and it's going to perform all of the tasks for me, leaving me to simply go in and fix my formatting. I could actually add a header. I've already added the page number. I do that by saying Option, Page Number, and then I have to make sure it's times 12, right justified, and I'm going to add my last name. That will make my header appear on every page, and that's all I have to do to create my works cited page. It is a good idea to name it Beck Works Cited Ood. Now I can submit that document and I'm done.